Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So this is warning for all XRP holder, because my brother, XRP is completely fails down. So exactly, all holders be alert, and I will warning you, my brothers, to this time XRP will fails down. So don't do any mistake, otherwise you are lost. So be safe from lost, otherwise you are so sad, my brothers. So try to understand now. Let's see, my brother. First of all, I will tell you to please, before I get started this video, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to you or be safe from the loss. If you follow a basic channel, I hope you never lost now. So as you can see, my brother, this time the last 7 days chart and on the screen. First of all, this need, my friend, this coin need to be predicted, and exactly, my friend, after prediction, everybody understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward now, and they will fails down more and more. So let's get started, my brother. First of all, as you can see, my brother, the arrows fails down. So exactly, my friend, in the start of this week, all cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano, and Winklink and Shiba Inu is also fails down. So therefore, as you can see, my brother, after June, all crypto market take a very huge jump, very short jump, but absolutely very huge jump now, and continuously 3 days you go, my brothers, to this coin is moving upward now. So I'm so happy to see this, but definitely after this jump they will fail down. So therefore, holders, I will warning you to don't starting selling, otherwise you completely and lost, because this is short faith. I hope, my friend, after this fails they will take a very huge jump now, and absolutely at the end of month all currencies, especially short time investor, they are starting selling sometimes. So therefore the coin is fails down. So try to understand, don't sell it, hold it, wait for the end of month. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit now. So let's see what they do. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.